God forbid it's not going to happen at my event. But what if it happens, right? It's very important that we plan for that. Hello, I'm Olodera of Eventigo, and I am here to make your event better. Now on seating arrangements, you want to ensure that in your floor plan, you have visible entry and exit points just in case of an emergency. One of the things we take for granted in Nigeria is health and safety protocols at our event. It just feels like, God forbid it's not going to happen at my event. But what if it happens, right? It's very important that we plan for that. Ensure that there are visible signs. This is the entrance, this is the exit, especially in case of fire. This is an emergency exit, and ensure that those exits are not blocked. Sometimes you have a lot of vendors and you're like, where do I place them? Where do I place them? Put them here, let them block the emergency exits. It is a terrible, terrible, terrible idea. Do not ever do that. Don't do that. It's going to impact negatively on your event. Whether or not there's an emergency, do not do that. Emergencies are not what we pray for, but we need to think about that and we need to take that seriously. Thank you.